Hey, I'm back with another video. Today, we're going to be installing these anchor points that go in the back on your side rails of your truck, on the bed rails. So, I got these at Autozone. Highland is the brand, rust resistant chrome finish. I opted for the chrome ones because I love chrome, and if it's going on my truck, it's either black or chrome. So, because my truck is black or chrome. So, that's enough talk, let's dig into it. First things first, we got to get this stupid vacuum sealed plastic welded container that they don't want us to open. It's got to look pretty in the package, that's all that matters. Using up all of our oil instead of putting it in our cars, we're putting it in our plastic packaging. What happened to what's wrong with boxes? Cardboard boxes. No, it comes from a renewable resource. Enough of that. Alright, here they are. Don't know, we'll figure out what those are for. Okay, so they send you two types of rubber, expandable pieces, basically. This is for the small bed rail holes, and this is for the larger ones. My truck takes the larger ones. It's a 1999 Ford F-150 off-road, four-wheel drive, V8, XLT, you name it. So we need a flat screwdriver to get these things out. There's one. And the other one. Whoa! Alright, so what you do is let those fold out, push it down like that, and you're going to line that up. There we go. Alright, now for the tools that we used. Screwdriver to pop these bed rail inserts out, and a pocket knife to open it. That's all you need. And I would suggest, if you do this, to keep these in case you want to take them out or something. It's best just to keep all the factory stuff that your truck comes with, in case you want to sell it or you change your mind or something. Once again, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and like it and ring the bell and all that good stuff. See you on the next video.